morning students. Here I welcome you all in today's class, and in today's class we'll complete our English Express first chapter, and that is how bee makes honey. So here goes the poem. I am a busy bee, I wake up early in the morning. I am a busy bee, I work hard and never sit idle. I am a busy bee, I fly flower to flower. I collect honey from flowers. I am a busy bee, I go back to my beehives. I store my honey in my beehives. I am a busy bee, I makes honey for all. I am a sweet bee, I am a busy bee. So this was our poem. I am here, now we'll understand what the poem says. I am a busy bee. I am a bee. Here bee is saying that she is a bee. She wakes early in the morning and she is very busy. So she is saying that she wake up very early in the morning and she is very busy. She works hard and never sit idle. She works so hard and never sit idle. I am a busy bee. I fly flower to flower. She is saying that she works so hard. She never sit idle. She fly flowers to flower to collect honey from flowers. I am a busy bee. She is saying that again I am very busy. I go back to my beehive. She go back to her home. I store honey in my beehive. I am a busy bee. She go back to, after collecting the juices from the flower, she go back to her beehive to store that honey. She makes honey for all. She makes honey for us, for them, for everyone. She is very sweet bee. She is very sweet. She is a busy bee. So this was all about what the poem says. Now we'll go to our next thing, that is our hard words. So we'll complete our hard words. In this poem we have not understood many word meaning, so we'll go to the word meaning. Now here comes the hard word. Our first hard word is bee. Bee means a fly that collects honey. The fly that collects honey is known as bee. So we'll write here a fly that collect honey is called what? Is called bee. Yes. So our next hard word is morning. So everyone is familiar with the word morning. So here morning means the time before the noon. The time before noon is called what? It's called morning. So our next hard word is wake up. Wake up means to get up. Get up. Our next hard word is work. Work means what? Work means tasks. To do something is known as what? Work. So we'll write here work. Work means task. Our next hard word is busy. Busy means what? To continuously doing some work, not sitting idle is known as busy. So we'll write here always busy in some work. What was our hard word? Our hard word was busy. Busy means to do something. to do something or slash always doing something. Doing something. So children, write it fast, then we'll move to our next hard word. Students, I hope you all have written this. So let's erase and move to our next hard word. Our next hard word is hard. Hard means solid things that we call hard. So we'll write here solid. First our hard word is hard. Sixth hard word is hard. It means solid. Our next hard word is idle. Idle means what? Simply not doing anything is known as idle. So we'll write here not doing anything. Idle, not doing anything. Not doing anything is known as idle. Our next hard word is what? Fly. Fly means to travel in the air is known as fly. To travel in the air or to travel through in the air. In the air will be wrong. Here it will be to travel through air is known as fly. To travel through air. Our next hard word is never. Never means not ever. Never means not ever. Next hard word it is flower. Flower means what? Fruit bearing part of the plant is known as flower. Fruit bearing part of the plant. Students, write it down, then we move to our next hard word. Hope you all have written this, so let's move on to our next hard word. Our next hard word is collect. Collect means to gather something. Usually teachers, your elders also say you to collect your answer sheet together, means to gather all the answer sheet of the class together is called collect. To collect means to gather. So we will write here gather. hard word, it is honey. All of you know about honey? There is someone to explain me what is honey? So we'll write here, what will it be? The sweet sticky substance prepared by honeybees are known as honey. Everything that is sweet or sticky, we cannot say it honey. So the sweet sticky substance prepared by honeybees are known as honey. The sweet sticky substance. Bees is known as honey. Our next hard word, moving on to our next hard word, and that is behave. Behave. Behave means, I have told you in the poem, the place where honeybees lives is known as behave. A place where bee lives is known as behave, or it is also called the storeroom of the. It can also be called as a storeroom because honeybee collect all the honey and they keep that honey in their behaves only. So we will write here storeroom. Storeroom of honeybee, of bees. Moving on to our next hard word, that is next and last hard word, that is sweet. Sweet means, anyone tell me what is sweet? Sweet means what? Sweet means loving. We usually say na, the girl is so sweet, means she is very lovable, she takes care of everyone, she prepares delicious food for everyone. So we will write here what? We will write here loving. Students, write it down fast, then we'll move to our exercises, and today we'll complete our exercises too.